fucking kidding me, dude?
January. This is Manuel Oliver, and I've been made too long.
Hello. How are you doing? Shaking up?
Shaking up.
You're not injured at all, Vo?
Doesn't. I tried to check her over. It doesn't look like she got hit.
Okay.
I don't know what.
Here, you can see 9 visible areas where bullets supposedly struck the victim's vehicle.
Pretty small.
Yeah. Was it 22 or something? Or would a 22 go through?
Looks more like a BB gun.
BB gun? Yeah, we're gonna wear a 10.46. An automatic?
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, it's a clear pattern as it goes by.
Yeah.
Are your doors unlocked? Because if it was BBs, they'd be sitting there, right?
Yeah, I'm thinking we might just end up seeing if we can go to the police department. Are you okay to drive to the police department? It's about 3-4 minutes from here. That way we could talk inside, and then maybe we might have to look at doing something with your car. It'd be a lot easier there than out here. And then we can talk inside where it's warm and get all the information on what happened. Would you be okay with that? Yes. You didn't know these people at all?
No.
And from what I understand, it was a bronze-colored car, no license plate.
No license plate.
Any idea what type of car?
No, it was like it had an emblem on the back that looked like this, like this, like this.
Hazard in the area of County 8 Adam.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not really sure.
A BB gun wouldn't be this.
I didn't think so.
No.
Then probably a 22.
That's
Could be a 22.
I don't know if
22 short's not going to go.
Concentrate on that. You weren't.
Are you okay to drive that car?
We'll follow you.
Yep.
Take some breaths, Chief.
Okay. You follow me, and then he'll follow you, okay? We'll go slow, and we'll just get to the police department where we can sort this out.
Doesn't stop.
Not sure.
Pretty good.
Yeah. You gonna be okay?
Okay. Sit in your seat,
all right.
please.
So let's just get her to the PD where it's warmer and we can do whatever we need to do.
News reports state that officers identified the shooter's location using traffic cameras, along with the victim's description of a bronze-colored sedan with no plates and dark-tinted windows. Dispatchers at the Wisconsin State Police, in conjunction with their Traffic Management Center, were able to access this footage through recent highway traffic footage archives. This footage is helpful in not just catching criminals, but it can also help determine who is at fault in a car crash. If you want to access that same traffic footage from numerous states across the U.S., you can do so yourself at safetyvid.org. In this case, officers were likely able to track the suspect to the exit he took and began searching the nearby neighborhoods. According to official documents, police witnessed 2 men standing outside a residence with the suspect vehicle in the driveway just hours after the incident. One male started the vehicle as police made contact. During their conversation, officers allegedly observed what appeared to be a revolver handgun on the wall of the garage. The male in the car also shared he had a gun in his vehicle as well. Officers quickly suspected the male in the vehicle and had him step out for further questioning.
You're Travis, right?
Yes.
So I kind of pre-filled out the paperwork here. This is our consent to search form. Basically what it says is that you're giving us the consent to search your vehicle right here.
I don't want to. I gotta go to work. I ain't trying to, you know what I mean? That's why I said like to hurry up and like whatever. I thought it was something serious. I don't even know what it's about. Can somebody tell me like what it's about? Because this is kind of serious.
So it's up to you. Are you going to provide consent or not provide consent? So like you said, I know you had told them earlier that you're going to provide consent to search the vehicle.
Yeah, because I was in a rush. They said somebody come and tell me what's going on. I would like to know what's going on.
There was an incident on the highway today.
To my friend, and he's probably not gonna let me come over no more. You know what I mean?
Okay. I don't know. But I don't know how. I mean, I can't tell you. I don't know a ton about it. I know there was an incident on the highway today we're looking into.
Okay.
It's up to you. Read this over. If you provide consent to us, sign it. We'll search your vehicle. If you're not going to provide consent, that's up to you as well. And
I'd rather not.
You'd rather not? Okay.
I cut somebody off or hit somebody's car. I don't got no scratches.
You want to just hang tight here for a second? All right, thank you. Joe, negative. It's a negative.
Is it negative?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do more then.
All right, so I'm thinking we're going to need more for everything.
I think we approached the consent option for you. You're well within your right to say no to that. And that's what my understanding was it was a no. So we're going to just go like the other legal process. If it's a no on that end, then we're not touching your vehicle. I'm just explaining to you like kind of the next step.
I'll give my keys. What's on my car? Okay.
No, the car's running right now. Unfortunately, you can't go back in the car. Turn it off for you. So,
okay.
It won't be a search, something like that. We just please. Is it a button or?
Well, yeah, it's just like.
All right.
All right, so can I just have you put your hands behind your back for me?
I'm not trying to be at your residence anymore.
Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't?
No, sorry.
Is it all right if I search you?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So just step out of the garage here so we're away from anybody. Anything that'll like poke me or stick me, any needles or knives or anything like that? No. Okay, all right, cool.
You just searched me already.
Well, you're hopping in my car now, so we just want to make sure you got nothing on you that you shouldn't, and then we'll go from there, okay? today. We want to keep this. Give me another bag. Yeah, there's germs in this one. You want to just separate your feet for me? Just gonna pop this off your head, okay? Alright, let's have a seat in the car. Right over here. You wanna go over and grab the seatbelt for me? Good? Good? Alright. Car is on. I'll turn the heat up.
Officer appears to take a photo of the suspect's receipt, which matches similar receipts in our research showing inaccurate account balances. These types of receipts made news during COVID due to an ATM error that led some people to believe they suddenly had millions of dollars in their bank account. News reports shared this error was caused by the use of third-party ATMs, leading us to believe Travis likely made a bank transaction at a gas station or grocery store. This evidence can potentially verify Travis's location and identity in a potential court case.
Like, I tell you what you need to know, I just don't know what y'all talking about. Like, this look kind of serious.
Travis spoke minimally throughout the drive. While in transit, officers on scene obtained a search warrant, getting footage of Travis pulling up the driveway and exiting the vehicle at 7:32 that morning. This timing confirmed that Travis could have been present at the shooting.
Getting warmer back there?
Yeah, it is, thank you. But is there any way you can tell me what this about or anything? I can tell you.
We'll discuss that in a little bit.
Okay.
My like gas cover blows open all the time when it's really windy.
Oh, okay.
So we didn't just get hit.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Like, what the hell?
12 to 1605. If you're upstairs, you want to just do a search of that interview room. Make sure it's good to go. How you doing back there?
Oh, I'm doing all right. Just sleepy.
Sleepy?
Yeah, I ain't going to sleep lately. I've been working so much. I work from 1:45 to 10 o'clock at nighttime. I got a daughter too.
So you're putting in a lot of hours.
Yeah.
I'll hop her out. Oh, did he unbuckle herself? He's been searched, but they're right in here. Just stay standing for us.
As this officer brings Travis into the interrogation room, he is searched again by another officer.
No more surprises. That's old, dude. I swear, that little bag of weed and pills, that shit old as hell when I was in there.
You didn't remember that was in there?
No, dude. If you look at it, it's old, bro. Just look at the weed. You can tell it's old as shit.
All right, have a seat for us for now. We'll get the handcuffs off you here shortly. Okay. We just gotta get some things squared away. You want anything to drink or anything, or are you good?
Yeah, some water.
Water? We'll get you some water.
I just want to know what's more. Oh,
we'll explain that all here shortly. So we're just gonna step out for a sec, and then we'll be back with you shortly. Okay? All right, perfect. Thank you. I will go search the backseat of my squad, grab a water. I'll be back. Okay.